We have this one S3 touch screen thermostat. So we are going to connect with home Wi-Fi. So first we need to check uh, the left corner. We have Wi-Fi signal there in red color. So when we connect, should be in red color. If that one is green color, mean they connect already with some system. So we need to disconnect that one. So now we start to connect with the Wi-Fi. So first we need to install the software in our mobile. So we are going to Play Store. Press in the search. So we need to write there HX thermostat. So we need to search this one, X thermostat. So press install. When install, we need open. When they open, we need to log in with the email. So we need to enter here email. When we enter the emails, we need to continue. When we press the continue, they ask you can also sign in with code from the email. So we need to open the email and check our code. So I get already enter the code. So we need to press continue in the right corner, this one. Then again here we need to continue. So we are already, you see the here you say the logout, mean we are already logged into this. So now we say tap the Wi-Fi icon on the thermostat to start continuing it. So we go back to the thermostat. You see the thermostat in the left corner. We have Wi-Fi icon there. So we press the Wi-Fi icon. When we press the Wi-Fi icon, we say setup. So we press again setup. So now we go back to the mobile app and press the continue. They say if the thermostat is already connected to another Wi-Fi network, to disconnect it first. But our thermostat already disconnected, so we continue this one. So we give the permission, allow a hex to access this device location. So we'll use the app. Hex will use a temporary Wi-Fi network to connect the device. So connect. Okay, now I select my Wi-Fi network which one in my home. So I press my network. So now I need to enter my password. So I enter the password, Wi-Fi password. So okay, now I enter the password. So need to log in. So press the login. After login, you see the screen. You can enter the location or room number. Then you can press the done. Now success. The thermostat is connected. You can now control it with this app. So you can see also in the thermostat in the left corner the Wi-Fi icon is become green. It's mean they are already connected with your home Wi-Fi. So you see here, okay. Now you can see in the thermostat temperature, and you can control the temperature. Now you can see the thermostat and mobile screen have same temperature. It's meaning this one is connected with the Wi-Fi. If you want to see my more informative videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.